Hey there mga my loves, Pisces! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babe. So before we start your reading, Pisces, reminders muna kasi hindi to for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think ay para sa'yo. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay for you, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, wala po tayong gender dito. Bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want. Of course, you can do that. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will na free mo rin naman gamitin anytime, anywhere. So let's go ahead, no? By the way, ako nga po pala si Yan. Welcome, new subscribers. At sa mga returning kong viewers, maraming salamat sa inyong pag-suporta. So kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron po tayong other channel. The link is down sa ating description box. So let's go ahead, Pisces. This is for my Piscean people. Let's see what messages right here for you guys. Spirits and Angel guys, Archangel Michael, marami pong salamat for being present here in this reading. This is for my Pisces people. This is for Pisces. Pisces. Okay, so let's go ahead Pisces at alamin natin rito no, ang mga mensahe for ya. Guys, we have here the King of Wands energy, the King of Cups, the Ten of Swords, Four of Coins, Justice, Page of Wands, the Star, the Six of Swords, and the Four of Swords. This is beautiful. Four of Cups. This is the Four of Coins, and we have here the Four of Wands. You could be seeing here a lot of fours. Angel number 444. Okay, Page of Swords is also here. Three of Wands. Okay. Someone here is noticing you, Pisces, and I think this is someone here looking for that perfect partner. So I think this is someone here na hindi mo pa nakikilala pero in the near future, you are about to meet this person or special person here. This person is already noticing you right now. For others of you, iba sa inyo matatagpuan or makikita pa lamang nila kayo. So kung meron man ritong mga nasa social media or active sa social media platforms, this person here posibleng dun niya kayo nakita, pero hindi po siya agad-agad makikipag-communicate sa inyo dahil unang-una, hindi siya isang player type of energy, no? Seryoso siya rito, no? Pero agad-agad niyong maka-capture ang kanyang attention. This person here, just by watching you, this person is already telling me that you are his or her perfect partner. For some reason, kakaiba yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo, and this person here wants to know more about you. So, if you are into social media and you post, no, hindi naman ibig sabihin na kilala kayo sa social media or whatever, no, basta kahit nasa social media kayo, no, at lalo na pag active kayong nakatambay dyan, no, nakita ko rito na this person here is dyan niya kayo makikita, no. So, ano man yan, marami tayong social media, could be Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, no, Twitter, no, and other platforms. Yan. Baka YouTube din, no, para sa iba sa inyo. Yan. So, that person right here is someone, no, na parang sumuko na when it comes to love. Parang hinayaan nyo na lang, bahala na. Pag may dumating na love, edi, okay. May ganun siya, no? Parang dumating na siya sa point na parang sinukuan niya na yung love, no? And then you come along. I do see that this person here will be wanting to know more about you, okay? And I think meron siya ritong planong mas kilalanin ka pa, okay? So, yan yung nakikita ko rito, no? In the near future for you, Pisces. And I do see that with this Four of Swords energy, the Six of Swords, okay, and the Star. I think meron dito na parang nakatadhana for you, no? Nakita kita dito na magtatagumpay ka with the Star. Ano man yung gusto mo ritong tagumpay na mangyari sa buhay mo in terms of your kaperahan, money, or negosyo, yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Na magbubukas na opportunity for you. For some reason, I'm picking up, no, na yung negosyo kung negosyo to is related sa pagkain or inumin or both. So, whatever the case may be, pursue that because I'm seeing na magtatagumpay ka dyan. No? You will eventually see na parang iba na yung magiging buhay mo or iba na yung buhay ko simula nang sinimulan ko itong trabaho na ito, negosyo na ito. Yan. So maybe others of you could be working in a food industry or, related to cooking, mga ganyan. Others could be chef right here or kayo to na yung inyong negosyo or pinagtatrabahuhan na company mismo is related sa foods or drinks. Yan. So, nakita ko dito na dito is mas makakapag-relax ka na. So, nakikita ko dito na yung pera mo is parang kakalma at hindi na magiging problema sa'yo in the upcoming months here, Pisces. At nakikita ko dito na parang halos petics na lang. Yeah, petics na lang yung money dito, no? Kasi you will put in a lot of hard work at first. Then, no, after giving out all your best, no, you are just waiting here na pumasok na yung pera sa'yo. So, nakita ko dito, ano man yung tinatrabaho mo sa umpisa, posibleng hindi ka dyan makakain na maayos, hindi makapagpahinga ng maayos, pero worth it. Kasi after niya, nakikita kita dito na magpapahinga, waiting for money, ngiting tagumpay, na pumasok sa'yo. I think you're doing as well business online. So, yung iba, dun yan, no? Or yung iba naman rito, no, is posibleng may kinakailangan kayo ritong tapusin, pagandahin, no, ayusin, na project proposal, baka working kayo ng company, and then after that hard work, boom! Marireceive mo na yung incentives, no? Or increase ng salary mo. Yan, no? So, hindi ko alam kung anong klase talaga yung effort na ginagawa ninyo, pero puspusan kasi yung binibigay mo, no? You're passionate doon, no? At talagang yung desire mo is nandudun talaga. Yan. So, I'm seeing right here that you could be dealing here with two people. So, iba naman, posibleng may options kayo when it comes to love. One is successful and someone here, yeah, successful in terms of money with the King of Wands energy. Could be owning here two or more businesses or pwede rin namang may negosyo tas nagtatrabaho din siya. At kung nagtatrabaho siya, may posisyon po siya sa kumpanyang pinagtatrabahuhan niya, no? And the other one is someone who could be into medicine. I'm seeing someone here related sa medicine or doctor siya or nurse siya, no? Or mga what's this, no? Other related na fields, no? Na may kinalaman sa health. No? So, nakita ko dito na doesn't have to be that he or she is related to medicine, but this person here could be someone who is a healing connection here for you. Pero kung sino man yung related na yun sa field at kung sino man yung very healing na connection na yun, I think that is not your king or that is not the queen meant for you. That person will just come into your life to heal all your wounds or to help you get out from your dark situation, but that is not your person, Pisces. I'm picking up more likely that the one for you is this King of Wands energy. This person here could be a leader, could be someone here who is a manager or a supervisor right here. This person here is madiskarte, no? And this person here is creative as well. This person, for some reason, meron siya ritong tinutulungan charity. And I think this is about animals, no? So, maaring connected siya or baka siya ay regularly nagdo-donate, no? Ng part ng kanyang pera, salary, or income, no? Sa mga charities. Any charities naman, pero more likely ang nakukuha ko rito, animals, saving the planet, related to nature, yan, no? Yan, nakikita ko rito. Nung pagmahal po siya rito sa mga living things, no, na mga trees, no, yung ating mga nature, yan. So, I think this person here is someone na mapagbigay siya rito at hindi siya madamot, especially kung ito ay may kinalaman sa nature or animals. Yan. So, nakita ko dito mga babes, no, na meron ditong energy na posibleng hindi pa to nangyayari. Pero beware of this, no, kasi may mensahe ako nakukuha rito na posibleng may mag-backstab sa'yo rito, no, and posibleng ka-close mo siya. Okay? And for some reason, iiwan ka nito sa ere, no, at tatakbuhan ka niya rito, no, habang ikaw yung dapat na mag-ayos ng problema daw. Problema na siya yung gumawa. So, ingat-ingat lang kasi baka meron ka rin dyan, ingat-ingat sa mga pag-invest sa kahit na ano, especially pagdating sa pera. Kasi meron ako nakikita rito, kakilala mo pero dudugasin ka pa eh. You know? Kakilala mo pero babackstabin ka pa nitong person na to. No? So, ingat-ingat lang, pay attention to the details mga babes. No? Siyempre, pag pera ang usapan, wag basta-basta maglalabas kahit nakilala mo pa yung kasosyo or kung sino man yan na malapit sa buhay mo or malapit sa buhay mo. Yan. So, nakita ko rito, no, that with the justice right here and there's this four of coins, I do see that money is makukuha mo dito. So, nakita ko rito na mas makakapag-ipon ka more, nakita ko dito mga babes, no, na makakapag-impok ka, no? And finally, meron ka na ritong magagawa na isa-isa sa gusto mo talagang bilhin or i-purchase, no? At pag na-purchase mo yun, parang gaganahan ka na, ay, kaya ko palang mag-ipon, ay, kaya ko palang mag-impok, ayan, no? Kasi magagawa mo, no? Makikita mo, no? Nahawakan mo rito yung gusto mo talagang gawin sa pera mo, no? And I think this is something here na posibleng magpabalanse sa energy mo dahil dyan, mas magiging matured ka pa mag-isip, lalo na pagdating sa pag-handle ng mga finances. Kasi meron kang makikita na nagawa mo. Ay, nabili ko to. At kung ano man yun, it is something here expensive, something luxurious. So, ibig sabihin, mahal yun, no? Or malaking halaga yun, no? At nasimulan mo, kaya gusto mo na ulit na mamomotivate ka rito na ipagpatuloy na para mas magawa mo pa yung iba mo pang mga gustong paglaanan ng pera. No, parang, ay, kaya ko pala. Ibig sabihin, kaya ko rin na makuha yung iba pa. Yan. So, mag-iiba rito yung mindset mo, Pisces. Yan. So, kung meron ka naman ng ka-in relationship ngayon, nakikita ko na itong person na to no, is mapagmahal na individual at siya yung klase ng energy na gusto niya rito na mag-pursue sa life, no? Parang tinutulungan mo siya rito na mas i-develop pa beautifully yung buhay niya, yung career niya, no? Mas pag-igihan pa niya, no? Parang napupush mo siya dun sa mga akala niyang limit lang niya na nagagawa, no? Kasi you're helping this person here, you're inspiring him or her a lot to do, no, yung best version pa ng sarili niya, no? And this person here feels so happy connecting to you, no? For some reason, pag kumukonect siya sa'yo, no, parang hindi ka lang niya girlfriend, hindi ka lang niya boyfriend, no? Nakikita rin niya that you are like a home, parang ikaw yung mama niya, ikaw rin yung papa niya rito, no? Feels like home kapag kakausap ka niya. Kaya kung boyfriend, girlfriend mo siya rito, no, I think nakikita niya sa'yo yung kanyang mom or yung kanyang dad, no? Kasi maybe this person here could be, wishing before na sana makakilala ko ng person na kagaya ng mama ko or ng papa ko, kind of thing, yung mga ganun. And whatever the case may be, you came along, okay? And this person here sees you as perfect fit para sa kanya dito. So, nakita ko dito na maaaring meron din, no, na mensahe rito na posibleng magpa-sensitive or magpa-emotional sa'yo rito, no. Posibleng maapektuhan ka a little bit ng kung ano man yung marireceive mo na text message, phone call, or whatever, no. Pero, kagaya ng sinabi ko, a little bit lang naman. So, parang sa saglit na minuto or sa saglit na oras, no, mararamdaman mo after reading that message or after hearing that message or receiving that message, no, parang ikaw to na overwhelmed ka doon, no, and it is something here na posibleng ika-sensitive, ika-emotional, or ikalungkot mo, pero saglit lang. No? Basta maapektuhan ka emotionally nun. Kung ano man yun, hindi naman yun magsistay ng matagal. No? So parang, ikaw to na parang nagulat ka lang, no? Baka yung news na yun or yung conversation na yun is related sa past mo, pwedeng may related dun sa ex mo, na parang matitigilan ka lang saglit, pero it will not affect you all day. No? Parang, okay, yung iba nga sa inyo, parang after ninyong mabasa yun or marinig yun, parang finally, maka-move forward na rin ako. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, I'm seeing, no, na parang there's still good, no, in hearing that message or in seeing that message right here, no. It might be na maging uncomfortable ka, no, for a short time, pero nakikita ko rito na para makakatulong rin sa'yo ito, no, para mas mag-excel or mag-move forward ka pa. Yan. So, ito yung mga mensahe na nakuha ko here for you, Pisces. Thank you so much for your time here, babe. Sarang Heyo, love and light. And meow.